Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prerna Taneja, Director, Clinic Eximus. And today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, invisible braces. I am sure you must have heard about invisible braces on your Facebook or on your Instagram or on your YouTube, and you must have heard it from your friends also. So I am going to answer all the questions related to invisible braces in this 2 series video. So stay tuned to all those videos so that you do not miss out on this important information. Now first let us understand why do we need braces in the first place. See, braces, they do a very important function. First is they align the teeth. Okay, now teeth alignment is needed for beautification purposes and for functional purposes. Now, what do you mean by beautification or aesthetic purposes? For example, some people have teeth which are very forwardly placed, or some people have teeth which are placed little up. Some people have teeth which are not aligned properly. They appear crooked and there is crowding. So that is where we need teeth alignment for that perfect smile, and we need braces to do this. Now the second reason we need braces is for the functional reasons. Now what do I mean by functional reasons? See, understand that this whole unit is, this whole system of muscles, joint and teeth is one single unit, and teeth play a very critical role in this. If your teeth are not aligned properly, you might see some functional abnormalities like clicking of the jaw, gum issues which do not get corrected otherwise, sensitivity in some teeth, cracking of some teeth, constant headaches, muscular issues. So all these are functional issues. Now usually we miss out on those functional issues, especially when we are younger, and parents also overlook this. But after a certain age, these functional issues resurface, यानी कि वो problem जो आपकी पहले suppressed थी वो visible होने लग जाती है. And that is the time when you are mainly after 30 or 35. And to correct these functional issues, you need braces. But having braces at this time when you are in a job or in a in a setup where you don't want those metal things shining on your tooth surfaces, even if it's to correct a functional problem, that is where the invisible braces come into being. So we have seen a lot of increase in the trend of invisible braces, especially in adult orthodontics, that is, people who need braces treatment during their adult life. But because it is so convenient that the younger population, that is the teenagers, they are also looking for these alternatives. And what are the advantages and the beauty around invisible braces is, first of all, they are actually invisible. It's very difficult to make out that you're wearing an invisible brace, and simultaneously your routines are not disturbed, your jaw profiles are not disturbed. The other thing is, it is very easy to maintain those braces. It is also easy to maintain your oral hygiene during the process of braces, and also you get quicker results in some cases. So owing to the advantages of invisible braces, we see a lot many people going for invisible braces these days. Now, what are the different types of invisible braces? So essentially I would say there are 4 basic types of invisible braces. First is the ceramic braces. The second is the lingual braces. The third is the aligners, and fourth is the Invisalign. So today I'm going to talk about the ceramic braces and the lingual braces in detail. Now what are the ceramic braces? See, ceramic braces are braces where the metal brackets are replaced by plastic components or ceramic tooth colored components. So when you see a patient with wearing the metal braces, Versus a patient with a ceramic braces, you will not be able to identify anything because those metal braces will not, the metal pieces will not shine. It will just appear as a regular tooth surface, right? Now ceramic braces are also of two different types. The first is the regular one and second is the self-ligating ones. Now what do you mean by regular ones? In this type of ceramic braces, you have those ceramic brackets which are tooth colored, and you have a stainless steel wire which runs across, and you have rubber bands which keeps the wire attached to the braces. So what you see when the person smiles is just a small thin line of that wire along with the rubber bands. But if in some people who are very conscious, they can go ahead for the self-ligating ones. Now in the self-ligating, instead of the rubber bands, you have locks which keep the wire in place. So they are more comfortable, they are less painful, more acceptable, and good for people who don't want a longer chair time. So these self-ligating ceramic braces are very convenient and most of the people opt for them. Now moving on to the lingual braces. Now what are lingual braces? As the name suggests, they are actually invisible because you don't see anything on the front surface of the teeth. All the brackets are put inside the surface of your teeth. Now this is a totally different type of dynamics which need the teeth to move very differently, right? So the brackets are different here, the technique is totally different here, and you need a special skill set to put and get an effect of the lingual braces. So we are very proud to have the whole team of braces specialists, which are not only who have expertise in the lingual braces, but also in aligners and Invisaligns. So lingual braces, I would suggest people who have a very very active social life and they cannot afford to be seen with braces of any types. So those people can go for lingual braces. The only downside here is that because the braces are in contact with the tongue, it takes a little while for the tongue to adjust to the speech and to the comfort of the braces. So this is all about ceramic and the lingual braces, and in my next video I'm going to talk about the much talked about aligners and Invisalign. So stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you so much.